Hello guys, welcome to MotorView Rides. Mike over here. Now today we're here at Adams Arcade for the Rev Up Motorsport event, man. It's crazy drifting, crazy motor shows, man. So stick until the end of the video to ensure you see everything MotorView has you covered, man. Check out what you have over here, man. Chee. Oh, sheesh. There is, man. There is. Let's see how it goes. Oh man. Oh man. The crowd is there. Crazy vibes over here, man. Whoa! Ha ha! Man, I have to say bye just cause you know shit can happen over here. Next guy. Oh man, look at the smoke, all the smoke coming to me, man. Sheesh. If you're into this type of content, kindly do subscribe, hit the like button, share thoughts in the comment section below, man. MotorView Rides over here, giving you the exclusive, man, exclusive. Okay. 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 Let's go. What? 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 Man. That bike over there was about to be crucified, man. So hello guys, man. Before us we have someone here, man, who's about to tell us about the event, man. So tell us what you think about the event so far.
My name's Aiden. This event is fire. All these cars. My favorite is it's a Mustang. It's a Mustang.
Mustang, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, man. Cool, man. So let's see how it goes so far, man.
Yeah.
But I hope. What have you seen so far that you liked about the event?
Early in the morning there was some drifting with Bella. Bella was drifting. It was so fire.
Yeah.
Then the C63 tried burning out.
Yeah.
It failed, but hey, next time.
Okay, cool, man. So guys, stick until the end of the video, man, for crazy vibes over here, man. Chill out, man. MotorView rides.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah. What the hell, man? Uh-oh! Actions and actions, man.
Mimi KIT niliwaendea.
Hello guys, man. Today we have these two guys who are next to the 2JZ, man, the custom-made car. So they're gonna tell us their favorite car and what they like so far about the event. So tell us, man, your names first and what you like so far about the event.
So my name is Felix. I've actually enjoyed being here a lot, and I can say that this car community is actually nice. It's incredible. I've been to some of different cars, events and shows, but this one was just the best, as I may say. So, but my favorite can be, I can say the Supra.
The Supra, yeah?
Yeah, the Supra. Supra.
Nice.
And the MK4, but it ain't here.
Okay.
It was actually thrilling to be here.
Oh, nice, man. What about your friend, though? What's his name? What does he like about the event so far?
Hi, my name is Masharia, and I really love the event. I was skeptical about coming today, but once I came here, it was amazing. For me, I'm a luxury lover. So of course the Bentley Bentayga over there.
The Bentley, yeah?
Yeah, I loved it a lot. And also the Supra, all the revving. It was amazing.
Alright, thanks, man. Thanks, guys. So guys, see at the end of the video. Remember this is MotorView Rise. If you'd like this type of content, do subscribe, the like button, and share thoughts in the comment section below, man. Thank you, guys, man. Let's go, man. Rev Up 2024, man.
Water.
That was crazy. The next guy, let's see, man. Okay, okay. Burn those tires, man. What? Whoa! Oh, this guy's not here to play, man. Sheesh. Subaru boys. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Oh, sheesh! So what now?
Mustang Eagle Boost! Mustang GT! R33! RX-7! RX-7! R33!
There's people watching, man. This marks the end of the video over here at MotorView Rise, man. Thank you all for staying tuned. MotorView Rise, man. Cheers.